How does anyone know what dinosaurs sound like? Due to the lack of direct evidence, scientists are unable to accurately recreate the exact sounds that dinosaurs made. However, some people have studied the anatomy and physiology of dinosaurs and have made educated guesses on what dinosaurs may have actually sounded like based on the vocalization of animals today. Most of the educated guesses suggest that dinosaurs probably made vocalizations reminiscent of birds, reptiles, and mammals. For instance, paleontologists believe that theropod dinosaurs and early birds may have had similar vocal structures, so they may have sounded similar to birds today. The vocalizations of plant-eating dinosaurs may have been comparable to the vocalizations of modern reptiles and mammals such as crocodiles and elephants. It is also believed that dinosaurs could have been quite varied depending on their role in their social and ecological environment. Some researchers think Tyrannosaurus rex may have had an impressive roar considering its large vocal anatomy and strong jaw muscles. Other dinosaurs such as the Diplodocus may have made more subtle vocalizations such as inaudible rumbles or even faint honks. There is still much speculation as to what kinds of vocalizations other dinosaurs made, since there are few clues from the fossil record remain. Researchers estimate that most dinosaur vocalizations probably involved low-frequency rumbles and whistles as well as higher-pitched sounds like cries and squeals. Non-vocal communication may have also been important for some dinosaurs, allowing them to communicate using motions, physical contact, or scent marking. Moral of the story is, no one actually knows what any dinosaur sounds like, nor has anyone actually heard one. The world may never know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.